Hello, everyone. It is IT Chill here. Today, I want to show you my project which enables passwordless login by using public key digital signature. The guides will be separated into two parts. One is user part, one is the provider or developer side. When you first go into my GitHub under the PKDSA folder or repository, as what people will say, you will see that there is 3 links that you need to care about. You need to go into management applications and signing application. You need the application from these 2 links in order to use passwordless login provided by any provider if they use the framework I provided, that is. Once you reach here, you will see releases. You should see similar files reside within the folder. However, after you've done this step and you want to click on the application, you realize that you can't run it. Like, it tells you components missing, you need to install stuff. Simply head to Microsoft platform. I'm assuming that when you get this application, it is fresh and new. So, click on the first button. This IP address here, you need to get it from the provider. This whole IP address, if possible, try not to have any unwanted spaces. That is how you should do it. You can click on the add or update so IP address button. That's all for the user side.